In my video guide, I will give you instructions that will provide you with help to remove fake and scary alerts that come from the website antivirusalertcenter.com. This website, antivirusalertcenter.com, claims to be related to some decent security software, but it is not related to that software. The website tries to mislead people and to force them into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. The website also uses pretty scary messages mentioning that your PC is infected with 5 viruses, and it may also display some other, even more scary alerts. All these pop-ups try to mislead people and to make them click on this proceed button, but in reality, they may simply be forwarded to some other junk sites that may simply infect the system with malware or with adware. So if you see these pop-ups on your screen, surely you must not interact with them. I would recommend you to carefully research the control panel of your computer and uninstall any programs that might be suspicious. If you find something unfamiliar here, right-click on it and uninstall it. To make sure that your device is free of any other hidden threats, I recommend you to scan your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. It will help you to detect and delete other possible infections from your computer. So use this green button to download Combo Cleaner. After the program is downloaded and installed, start investigating your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will begin researching your system and will give you the summary of threats at the end of scan. First of all, the program will help you to analyze some browser-related issues, but it also can help you to detect more serious threats like malware, ransomware that currently circulate all over the world. Combo Cleaner Premium version has got the excellent anti-ransomware tool that allows you to add one or several folders on your computer that will be properly protected against all kinds of ransomware attacks. So, as I said, at the end of scan, the program will give you the summary of all threats. You'll be able to know their exact location on the system. So you may remove these threats manually or consider upgrading to the premium license of the program in order to delete all these threats automatically and have your system protected against all further malware attacks.